is Rich again for www.healthyjointcare.com. Today I want to talk to you about a very serious problem, dog arthritis. And this is an informational video. There are some things that you can do. Liquid glucosamine is a great savior, if you will, for treating dog arthritis. But here's what I want to tell you that a lot of pet owners, especially new pet owners, are not really aware of, okay? Dog arthritis basically is the same as human arthritis, and it doesn't have any cure, okay? And it affects all breeds. It does affect larger breeds more often, or a higher percentage, okay? And the percentage is probably close to 80% of all dogs, if not more, over their lifetime will get arthritis. So what I want to talk to you about is, well, the signs of arthritis first, and then what you can do to ease the pain, okay? Some of the signs may be very obvious, and some people don't necessarily see it. And this can even happen in younger dogs. We have some customers that have dogs that are only 2 or 3 years old, some pugs and bulldogs actually, that are starting to show signs of arthritis. So some of the things that you can look for is if your pet is very stiff when they get up, if they don't want to lay down too much anymore, or they don't want to go for a walk much anymore, they seem to be less active than they normally are. Things like that are probably signs that you should go take a better look into, okay? And always see a vet if you're unsure, of course. Here's some of the things that you can do to help make their life just a little bit easier, okay? What dogs sleep on can certainly help ease the arthritis pain that they're feeling. And if you go to the website here, again, www.healthyjointcare.com, most of this information that I'm sharing with you is here on the site, okay? But here's what you can do. You can elevate the sleeping area that your dog sleeps on. Instead of letting them sleep on the floor, bring them up about a foot or so off the floor. That'll make it much easier for them to get in and out of their sleeping area. Another couple of things that you can do is to get something soft for them to sleep on. An old couch is good, a piece of foam. I'll tell you what works really well is an old baby mattress. Works very, very well for them. And as they get older too, you know, the floor's a little bit colder depending upon the environment that you live in. I'm the guy that talks funny, so I mean I live outside of Boston, I guess, as people would want to hear us say it. But so it's a little cool here in the winter, for sure. So it's a good idea to elevate the dog anyway, okay? One other last point I want to touch on real quick is when you start to give your dog any type of arthritis medication, in this case Synflex, which has no dangerous side effects, you want to make sure that once they start to take it and they're feeling better, that you don't over-exercise them. It's very easy when the pet is starting to feel good that they're going to get active again and feel like they're a pup. You know, be careful not to do that. You definitely want to exercise, and their diet is very, very important as well. But don't overdo it, because, as I said, arthritis has no cure, and ultimately what will happen is you'll damage their joints and ligaments and so forth. So take it easy with them. Go to the site, www.healthyjointcare.com, and you can read all about it, and you can read more about Synflex for pets for arthritis treatment. Okay, that's it for this one. Thanks.